How to improve acting skills at home. You don't need drama school or expensive lessons to sharpen your acting skills, you just need curiosity, practice, and a little imagination. Today I'll share practical acting exercises you can do right at home to build confidence, creativity, and technique. Let's start with your voice. Clear articulation makes a massive difference on stage or on camera. Here's 2 exercises you can try. Try the tongue twister, red leather, yellow leather, repeat it 3 times, faster on each round, to warm up. Next, stand 2 feet away from a wall and project your voice so it bounces back to you. Don't shout, focus on breath and clarity. Great acting starts with observation. Everyday life is your best teacher. Here are some tips for improving your characterization. Watch someone in a cafe, or even a YouTube vlog, and copy how they sit, walk, or gesture. Next, write 1 line in a notebook about who you think they are, for example. She drums her fingers on the table because she's impatient. Then try walking across your room as if you were that person. Next, bring a script to life. It doesn't have to be Shakespeare, pick any short scene or monologue. Perform it 3 times, each with a different intention. First, pleading. Second, sarcastic. Third, furious. Notice how your voice, pace, and gestures shift each time. Improvisation is fantastic for creativity and quick thinking. Here's how to practice it at home. Set a timer for 2 minutes. Imagine you've just discovered a mysterious box in your house. Treat it as a priceless treasure. Then as something terrifying. Finally, as a gift from someone you love. See how the same object transforms with your imagination. Your phone is your best acting coach. Record yourself performing a monologue. Watch it back twice. First, focus on body language. Posture, gestures, movement. Second, listen for vocal clarity, pauses, emotion, projection. Write down 1 thing you liked and 1 thing to improve. Finally, experiment with techniques from famous practitioners. Using the Meisner technique. Stand in front of a mirror and repeat, "I'm looking at you," changing emotions each time. Now Strasberg. Hold an object, like a scarf or mug, and let memories of when you last used it shape your performance. Lastly, Brecht. Take a famous line and deliver it directly as if to the audience, breaking the 4th wall. Acting is a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Try one of these exercises today, film yourself, and watch your progress. Which one will you try first? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me next time here on Llama.